I got 100% rejected from publishing. I really remember one very clearly. You should never write anything again. You shouldn't even write email. This is the worst thing I've ever read. I became obsessed with that problem. How do I make writing a book easy? Maybe you can't figure out what to write. Maybe you don't feel like you're qualified. Maybe you don't know how to structure a book. Maybe you're afraid you're gonna look bad. We've helped 1,500 authors write their books, including people you know, like David Goggins and Tiffany Haddish and lots of others. I walk you through the exact process that we take authors who pay us $150,000 through. You'll know you have a good structure, so you're not going to waste 6 months or a year writing a book that doesn't go anywhere. You'll know it has an audience, so that you're not wasting time writing a book that no one will care about. This is the thing that's going to take you from where you are now to finished, published author. Book positioning, book objectives, book audience, book idea, book titles. Now we're going to start on the outline. Writing your book, editing your book. Let's talk about publishing, market your book. Your life and your knowledge and your wisdom is now in this book forever.
Mine is called Song Journey. This is people all over the world with the book, from Nigeria to Nashville.
You're going to get the very first review from someone you don't know, and they're going to say, "This book changed my life." Think about what happens if you don't write the book. How are they going to suffer if you don't finish? That's the difference you can make in the world.